Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add and remove widgets on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to add a widget, all you need to do is press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen. Then you will open this edit mode, and at the bottom we have widgets. So if you select it, then you can choose your widget. So let's say we're gonna choose like a digital well-being, and if you press it, then you will pretty much add it immediately. Which you can also press and hold it and then locate it in a different spot. You can also adjust the size if needed, and that's pretty much it. If you tap it somewhere else, then you can press this check and this cross in the top left corner, and you can press done in order to be done with the edit. Now if you want to remove the widget, you can also press and hold the finger on the widget and you have the option remove widget, and you can also press and hold the finger one more time on an empty space in order to one more time open the edit mode. And as you can see, we have this red minus button in the top right corner of an icon or a widget. So you can press this icon on a widget and then confirm that you want to remove this widget, and there we go, the widget is gone. Press done in the top right corner, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.